Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another silk press video. This client was one of my regular clients when I first lived in Arizona, then I moved away. And this video is actually a year after, I believe, her first appointment since I moved back. So her hair grows pretty good, but she had a lot of breakage and a lot of shedding because her hair was extremely thin, and her hair, I was not used to her hair being thin. I wouldn't say thin, it was thin compared to how her density used to be. So the first appointment, I'll put it on the screen, we cut off a lot. And the second appointment was, let me hurry up and do some math real quick. 6 months later was the second appointment, the second time I trimmed her hair. And at that appointment, I was like, your hair feels a lot thicker, actually, like you're not shedding as much hair as you were shedding. And I can't remember how much we cut off, but I feel like from the pictures you can tell the difference in the density. And then this appointment was actually 6 months later. Hers definitely longer. She has breakage at the top because she does a lot of clip-ins. So she pretty much fries her leave out. So you'll see the top of her hair is shorter, but we cut off, I don't know, maybe like a couple of inches at this appointment. But I'm glad that her density is coming back. I will, if I can, post a picture of her, what her hair looked like before I moved to Houston. Beautiful. And what her hair like when she first, came to me. I might have already posted these because honestly, I have a lot of videos of her hair. So if I did and you've seen it before, then you know you've seen it before. But if not, I'll post it again. As always, I use the same products. So yeah, that's all the talking I'm gonna do, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.